AI photos reveal what fictional couples' kids would look like. Oh, this is your fun one, Will?
Yeah, I think this is pretty accurate.
And so fictional couples meaning in a movie, they're a couple, and then if they had a kid, this is great. That is exactly what their kid would look like.
Yeah, right?
AI has nailed it.
There's better ones in here.
So this is Kate Winslet and Leonardo DiCaprio from Titanic, a movie which I've never seen, actually. I told Mo this, and every time he goes, what? Or I say, I didn't see Avatar, and he goes, excuse me.
Yeah, I never said this about Titanic. That is insane that you still haven't seen it. Don't get me started, dude.
You brought Aniston back into it.
Wow, this is spot on.
This is pretty good, eh?
Rachel Green and Ross Geller from Friends.
Yeah.
It's very Ross, but yeah.
No, it's right. It's correct. It's they nailed it. Yep, that's right. Sandy Olsen and Danny Zuko. Oh, wait, no, sorry. Wednesday Adams and Tyler Galpin from Wednesday.
Yeah.
You guys watching Wednesday?
No.
I've heard only good things, but I haven't gotten around to watching it.
Yeah, people say that it's good for sure. That looks mostly like her, I would say. I don't see as much him in that.
Yeah, he has more of the long face.
She's got the dark hair and... Yeah. Anyway, okay. This is from Grease. Sandy Olsen and Danny Zuko from Grease. Got Travolta in there. Mm-hmm. Good.
What do you think?
No, not good.
No.
Mostly him.
Yeah, I would say so.
Mostly him. It's whichever of the two has the stronger features.
It seems like it's all
the more
to me.
evident features.
Yeah.
Anna Scott and William Thacker from Notting Hill. Yeah. I see it. That
Definitely
looks like
her.
It looks like the daughter of Julia Roberts.
Yeah.
I think this one's really good, and it's really realistic.
Her smile looks like him.
Yep. Okay. This is, Monica Geller and Chandler Bing from Friends. Weird.
I don't really see much.
Yeah, I don't know what this one's about. This one looks like a miss to me.
Yeah.
It could be, though. Like, sometimes kids don't look exactly like their parents.
His head looks so slanted. Why is his eyes not in the middle of his nose? Or like...
Who are you talking about?
Are you seeing that? The kid.
Well, I don't know. People have asymmetrical faces. I remember I was into NBA 2K, and one year the game added like imperfections. Like you could just toggle a button to make a face imperfect, because otherwise the generated image is like perfectly symmetrical.
Right.
And all you would do is click it, and it would just mess up your face. But mess it up in like a way that like, oh, that person looks more realistic.
Oh, really?
Because people are not symmetrical.
Exactly, yeah. So
it would just like tweak things slightly off.
Right.
And become...
I thought you were going to say like it would mess
I don't know what
up.
it's called. Try asymmetrical or something like that. See if it works like that. Okay, well that one went a little too far. The beard is getting messed up. There you go. So click this one. Let me see if this one... Vitals, cyber faces, and I don't know. I'm sure there was a feature like that at one point in time. There was definitely a videotape that only played once. Mm-hmm. That's where I found out about it. A couple more here. Rachel Marin and Francis Houseman and Johnny Castle from Dirty Dancing.
Yeah, I can see that.
Big time her. That's him. Stronger features. Rachel Marin and Frank Farmer from The Bodyguard.
I haven't seen these movies.
Tough call. Well, Mo, these are like, this is back when movies existed.
Right.
You understand? Before your time. When
like
there was
Titanic?
Such a thing as movies. That weren't Marvel or didn't cost $400 billion.
I'm not a fan of those type of movies.
They didn't cost $400 billion to make. Marty McFly and Jennifer, you know this movie from Back to the Future. That's a lot of her.
Mm-hmm. I saw the DeLorean.
A lot of her with the eyebrows.
Yeah.
A lot of her. Yeah. Ferris Bueller and Sloane Peterson. Wow, you don't hear that name very much. Sloane.
Sounds
Sloane sounds like
very
a girl,
90s.
some girl in high school in the 90s.
Yeah. Has his chin though.
Okay, it's not bad. Well,
Mouth?
more her, I would say.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, we did it. AI, what can't AI do? What can't it do? Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, it needs to figure out my AirTag situation.
Yeah.
Where are you at on that, AI? Huh?